Make a great choice today with the 2023 Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, front wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, variable speed, intermittent wipers, heated steering wheel. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.